we are going to get started now. Those who are just wandering on into the lounge, it is beautiful down here. We're just going to ask you to please have a seat. We have our first of several entertainers tonight to enjoy for the next few minutes. Natalie Castro. Ladies and gentlemen, the founder and CEO of Brilliant Minded Women, and to really welcome us and get this evening started, I gotta clip check everybody.
Thank you. Good evening. It is such an honor and pleasure to see you all tonight. I can't be more happy, more pleased, and more humble to see such a distinguished guest. It's an honor, and I hope you all enjoy this evening. We all put effort to make this spectacular and support our beautiful awardees that we represent very soon. But first of all, I would love to thank two incredible team of mine who put such an effort to create this incredible place. And have a toast to each other, to the future, to the support, inspiration, and the growth that we can change for the better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, I gotta give you. And now Keya, please join us. She's originally from Turkmenistan. She's the daughter of a renowned artist, and she followed her father's footsteps and acquired a degree in fine arts. Today she's running the Durdy Bayramov Art Foundation, also known as the DDAF, opening a school for female artists in Turkmenistan. That deserves a hand. That deserves a round of applause. It takes a lot of guts to do that. Some of the events organized by the foundation include exhibitions, cultural workshops, and concert series titled Turkmen Music Days in Canada, where she's also actively involved in the foundation's exhibition and research projects, and is an author on multiple publications. Keya, thank you so much. God bless. You look beautiful tonight. To see the performance later on this evening.
Thank you so much for accepting this award. Being here tonight. And let's continue this beautiful journey together. Thank you so much.
Bayramova. It's an honor to meet you actually, because when you will receive your nominee, it has to be sent as a letter. The letter is submitted to our organization that somebody who knows Keya or heard about her, been inspired by her, nominate her in the specific category. And then we review everything inside and outside. We have to know, and before we even contact this beautiful lady, tonight, this is her celebration with another one. So congratulations one more time. Please keep the good job. You are truly inspiration, not only to the young ones, but to all of us. I believe we can learn from you, and we will definitely looking forward to hear from you and carry your vision as well. And so continue. She has to be nominated. Then we send a professional letter with a nomination to her. If she accepts, then we ask for her bio, we ask for the picture, and then the board of directors decided if this is a qualification for the year, and we recognize us at the 1-year gala, annual gala, and we also put her bio and the picture in our annual book. So please don't hesitate, ask for the book. We print them in the several thousands of copies. You may read about her, you may know her, you will find the information, and if you're interested to collaborate with her, help her, don't hesitate to call her, give her a call, or even contact us and we release the information so you can continue the great support for her.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
I'm very honored and I'm so happy that you acknowledge my hard work, and I promise you I'll continue and I'll do my best to enrich art and culture in Canada.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, because in Canada you reach the globe pretty much. More people know about this, the better legacy will be carried on and continue, right? So thank you so much. I hope you have a beautiful evening.
It's wonderful.
Enjoy it, and we definitely see, this is not the end, this is the beginning, and you will definitely hear more from Bayramov organization about those beautiful ladies.
Thank you.